So here they give you this symbol, which really is NCR, but they define it here. Combinations, this comes up. But again, you're not supposed to know this. If you don't, that's not, it's not important for this question. So based on this definition, we need to figure out this symbol. So that would be 17 factorial, 6 factorial. All I'm doing is replacing n with 17, r with 6. And you'll notice that before going into simplifying that, I have to look at the way the answer choices are. And you'll see that all of them have that same symbol. So in this question, you do have to kind of look at the answer choices and see what are some possibilities. And I think the way I did this was to compute one of the answer choices. So this was 16.5. So that's equivalent to 16 factorial, 5 factorial over 11 factorial. And then I noticed 6 times 5 factorial is 6 factorial. And 17 times 16 factorial is 17 factorial. So that worked. So I know the answer is A. Now, if that was D, I would probably have to do more work. What I was trying to do was to avoid doing the traditional simplification, which is 11 factorial into 7 factorial would be 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 over 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I mean, because then I would have to do that with all the answer choices. So that's extra work. The other thing you could potentially see is that because we have 16 and 5 and 16 and 6, maybe you start by creating that 16 factorial here. And then that's 11 factorial. Then you'll take out a 6 and a 5 factorial, and that becomes 16, 5. So I guess, I mean, it's really up to you. I mean, it is a little bit of a trial and error because the answers are arranged in a different form. It wasn't about just simply doing this simplification. I mean, you could do that, but that would be more time consuming. So you have to kind of look at the answer choices and see which one is a likely candidate and then manipulate it. So no clear way of going about it. And that's just happens with certain questions. So the answer here is A.